Oh yeah, I gotta videotape that shit too.
Look at that.
Hey, that's just to show y'all, man. We do everything. We do everything out here. We got the rims, we got the rope, the lowriders, we got the motherfucking motorcycles, we got everything out here, man. How we doing it? Look at that pretty ass looking convertible rag tray. Convertible rag tray right there, y'all. Go see that shit.
This shit you doing is so love me.
We out here, y'all. We out here. Walk with some of the club members and shit.